कार्पण्यदोषो पहतस स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. Arjuna is overwhelmed by emotional confusion. He doesn't know what is right or wrong. He admits his weakness and surrenders to Krishna, asking for clear guidance. This is the moment of awakening, when confusion turns into humility. Arjuna says, "My mind is confused about my duty. I am your disciple. Please instruct me what is best for me." Solutions to overcome confusion according to this verse are as follows. Accept that confusion is normal. Feeling uncertain doesn't mean failure. It's the first step to clarity. Seek guidance humbly. Like Arjuna, admit when you don't know and approach a trusted mentor, teacher, or inner conscience for help. Surrender the ego. Pride blocks clarity. When you let go of "I know everything," true learning begins. Reflect, don't react. Take time to think deeply before making decisions when your mind feels clouded. Ask for clarity, not control. Pray or meditate for insight, not for things to go your way, but for understanding what's right. The key insight is humility transforms confusion into curiosity and openness, the foundation for real wisdom. व्यामिश्रेणेव वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसीव मे तदेकं वद निश्चित्य येन श्रेयोऽहमाप्नुयाम्. Even after Krishna begins teaching, Arjuna still feels confused. Krishna has spoken of both action and renunciation, and Arjuna doesn't know which path to follow, so he asks for clear, practical instruction. Arjuna says, "Your words seem mixed and unclear. Please tell me one certain path by which I may find the highest good." Solutions to overcome confusion according to this verse are as follows. Clarify your goal. Confusion often comes when we don't know what we truly want. Define what right means for you in that moment: peace, progress, or integrity. Seek simplicity. When too many choices overwhelm you, step back and focus on what aligns with your values and duties. Balance thoughts with action. Thinking too much without acting deepens confusion. Take small, thoughtful steps. Ask focused questions. Don't seek endless advice. Ask for specific direction from trusted sources. Reflect daily. Write down your thoughts or meditate. Clarity grows with reflection. The key insight is confusion fades when you seek clear purpose and act with sincerity. Asking for direction is not weakness, it's wisdom in action. ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशेऽर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया. Krishna reveals the deepest truth. The divine or Ishvara dwells in the heart of every being. He is the inner guide, directing all through the illusion of life. When the mind is confused, turning inward connects you to this guiding force. Krishna tells Arjuna, God resides in the heart of every being and guides them through his divine power, like a machine under his control. The solutions to overcome confusion according to this verse are as follows. Trust the inner voice. Beyond mental noise, a calm inner awareness always knows what's right. This is your inner Ishvara guiding you. Practice stillness. Meditation, deep breathing, or prayer quiets the mind so you can hear inner wisdom. Surrender control. You don't have to figure everything out. Trust that life unfolds with purpose. Stay mindful. Watch thoughts, emotions, and impulses without rushing. Clarity arises naturally from awareness. Act with faith. Once you feel an inner sense of rightness, move forward confidently. Even small steps create clarity. The key insight is when you align with your inner guidance, confusion dissolves into calm conviction.